Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can set auto delete messages in Telegram application. So without wasting any time, let's start our video. First thing, you need to go to your Telegram application on your device. From there, you need to tap on the three lines here. From there, you need to tap on settings. So once you tap on settings, the next thing you need to do is to tap on privacy and security. From here, you will find the auto delete messages, which is off. If you want to set it, you need to tap on that one. So guys, here they say self-destruct timer. So you can select 1 day, after 1 week, after 1 month, or you can even set a custom time. If you tap on that one, from the list, you can choose anything. So if you want to delete your messages after 1 week, so if you set that one, your messages that you send to your contacts will be deleted after 1 month. The next, one more thing, you can do it individually as well for a particular chat as well. So if suppose I want to do it for this one, you need to open the chat, then you need to tap on the name. From here, you need to tap on the three dots. And from here, you can auto delete messages 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, or you can choose a custom time as well. You can set that for this particular chat as well, not for everyone, only for this particular chat. So guys, this is how you're going to set the auto delete messages on your Telegram account. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care.